This projector is a serious contender for anyone looking to transform their living room into a full-blown home theater or take their gaming setup to the next level. The BenQ TK710STi 4K Ultra HD HDR short-throw laser DLP projector delivers exceptional clarity and vibrant colors, all packed into a sleek, compact design. It's a short-throw projector, which means it can display a huge image even in smaller spaces. A 100-inch screen can be achieved from just a few feet away. That's ideal for apartments or rooms where space is limited, yet you don't want to compromise on the cinematic experience. In terms of picture quality, the TK710STi excels. It produces true 4K Ultra HD resolution, delivering over 8 million distinct pixels for a sharp and immersive visual experience. Movies, sports, and video games look stunning with vibrant colors, rich contrast, and precise detail. HDR-Pro technology enhances the dynamic range, producing deep blacks and bright highlights so every frame feels alive. The laser light source is another standout feature. Unlike traditional lamp projectors, the laser maintains consistent brightness over time, with up to 20,000 hours of operation. That means years of vivid, high-quality projection without worrying about replacing bulbs or fading brightness. It's reliable, energy-efficient, and long-lasting, a real investment in home entertainment. Gamers will particularly appreciate the low input lag and fast response times, making this projector perfect for fast-paced titles on consoles or PC. Imagine playing high-speed racing or action games on a massive 120-inch 4K screen, with visuals that are smooth and responsive. It's a level of immersion that standard monitors simply can't match. Android TV is integrated directly into the projector, so streaming services like Netflix, Disney+, Prime Video, and YouTube are instantly available. There's no need for additional streaming devices, and navigation is simple with the voice-enabled remote. Content discovery becomes effortless, making it easy to binge-watch your favorite shows or dive into new releases. Connectivity options are versatile. Multiple HDMI ports, USB, and wireless casting allow you to connect consoles, laptops, or mobile devices easily. Whether it's movies, games, or presentations, setup is straightforward. This bundle also includes the HDR ceiling mount, ensuring a professional installation with clean cable management, right out of the box. Built-in speakers deliver clear audio for casual viewing, though pairing the projector with a dedicated sound system or soundbar provides a true cinematic audio experience. The combination of excellent visuals and solid sound makes it a comprehensive package for any home entertainment setup. This projector isn't just for watching movies. It's designed to elevate every type of visual content. With its short-throw laser technology, 4K HDR resolution, Android TV integration, and gamer-friendly performance, it's one of the most versatile and high-performance projectors currently available. If you're considering a home theater or gaming setup upgrade, the BenQ TK710STi is a solid choice. It delivers bright, detailed images, immersive gameplay, and easy access to streaming content, all from a compact and stylish design. Check the link in the description to purchase the BenQ TK710STi 4K Ultra HD HDR short-throw laser DLP projector with HDR ceiling mount and take your home entertainment to the next level.